I'm making this video because I was facing an issue. So I had this like really huge CSV file which is about 12 gigs, and it has about 200 million data, or yeah, 200 million of data. So I'm having issues opening it. Excel is not opening it actually. So let's try doing that. So as you can see, Excel is not reading it. So I'm just trying to find another solution. So I'm trying to do it using Python and Pandas. So let's just try it. So first of all, I have this Jupyter notebook open in my VS Code. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna import pandas and run it. Yeah. Second, I'm just gonna create a data frame which will read this CSV file, and we're gonna give the path to this CSV file, and I'm gonna add a parameter called chunk size. What this is gonna do is this will break the file into chunks. Like I can have a chunk of 10,000 each, I can have a chunk of 100,000 each. So for now, for the demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna go with the chunks of 100. Let's see. So after that, let's run that. Yeah, we are getting an error. So the error is no such file. Okay, so let's just paste it right here instead of this. Let's remove that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna escape the slashes. We don't need this. Let's try it again. Okay, I think this worked. So now let's try to print it. So I'm just gonna run a for loop where we'll just display the data. So let's try running it. So we are facing an error tokenizing the data. Okay, so let's add actually I have it right here. We'll have to add a delimiter right there. Yeah, let's try doing that again. So as you can see, we have our data displayed here right now, and yeah, and I have also written this code. This is actually a small application which uses the same concept as this one, and divide your files into chunks of whatever you decide to do. By default it's 100,000. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to an exe file in the description below. So I hope you liked this video and it helped you. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Yeah.